name is Nishan Tikra. I will explain you today the electric motor and their function and their principle which are their work. This is model made by me, means Nishan Tikra. These two are magnets. This is north and south. This is shaft and blue wire is copper wire. And these two wires red and black. These are attached to brush and these are attached to also shaft which pass the electrical. This is the passage means that. And you will be see that this you may imagine. ये आप imagine कर लो. This is the circuit which current is passed to brush. This brush, this is touch only, not attached. This motor will be attached for the support, and this will be current pass, and this will be rotate because of this magnet. Do you know that framing right left hand rule? I will explain you. This is framing left hand rule. This is the force on the conductor, means like thumb, and this is index finger, this is middle finger, which middle finger will be point of the direction of current, and index finger will be the direction of magnetic field, and the thumb will be show the force on the conductor. This is the important that this will be always 90 degree. You will be see that if 90, then it will be correct. This will be help us to find the direction of force on the conductor. आप देख सकते हैं कि ये ब्लैक वायर जो यहाँ पे कॉपर वायर से अटैच है, मीन दैट दिस इज ए बी सी डी एंड दिस इज नॉर्थ एंड साउथ. This will be current pass through this black wire and this copper wire. With the help of copper wire, this is the movement of current, and this means that this is positive and this is minus. Positive to minus, this is clockwise. We will be see that first current will be transferred to A to B, C and D. This is meant by A to B. Current direction means A to B. This is copper wire. We will see that this is A to B. Direction of current means will be shown that by the middle finger. Will be used by the middle finger by left hand rule. This is direction of current, and direction of current will be help us to find the. You will be see that the correction flow by left hand rule. The middle finger shows the direction. We will be see that the middle finger shows the direction, and this will be the magnet direction. मतलब this always magnet direction will be north to south. The waves of magnet will be always follow to north to south. Means that this is the direction, but this is south to north direction is where index finger. We have to move the finger, which is that. We will be see that. You will be see that this is the current and this is magnetic field. This is north to south and this is current. This means that the thumb will be say the force. The force will be downwards. Means that this will be goes downward. We help us with the cardboard. We will be also clarified by the cardboard. This will be this is a thumb. This is middle finger. This is index finger and this is middle finger. This will be fold down. This is the magnetic field which is north to south, and this will be the direction of current, and this will be direction of current. This is force. We will be downward. This is north to south direction, which magnet direction will be. I will say you that, and that direction of direction of current will be clockwise, because this is all are 90 degree. You will be see that This helps to the find the force, and this shaft will be rotated by this. This will be help us to when and where the force is act. We will help us by the framing left hand rule, and we will also find that we will also find a CD force. That this will be clockwise. We will find AB force. We will also find CD force. This will be the current direction, and this will be the same as the first condition. This is first condition AB, and will be the same condition in the same condition as CD. We will see that this is the index finger, this is thumb. You will see that this is index finger, this is middle finger, and this is thumb. This is the direction of magnetic field. This is the direction of current. We will be see that direction of current. This is direction of magnetic field. This is not too short. This will be clockwise as per possible. And this is the force. We will be see that this force will be generated upward, and this time will be force will be generated downward. We will be help us to rotate the shaft. This will be help to the working principle of the electric motor. The model and diagram will be help lot us to know about the working principle. This will be the downward force, means that this is the downward. First will be see that, and this will be the change the wires, because this wire is not connect. This only join, not the perfect connect. And this will be the upward force, means that always rotate. This will be the half. This will be the this will be the half rotation. We know that this force will be downward, this force will be upward, this force will be upward. This will be the working principle. This is the help us lot us to know about how will be the motor work, and this magnet is also very supported. If we current passes like DC plus and this is negative, this is all opposite. This continue. This is the current flow, and this will be the you will be use left hand rule by we will be say that do that, and this will be the flow that is like when this is positive and this is negative. We have one motor, one fan like structure like thing, and this is cell. We will be explain practically. This is the rotation. This is clockwise, this is positive, this is negative, and this attach, and this is rotate like this. This will be I will show you in this model under inside the thing. This is the brush. You will see that this brush, copper brush, this will be only attached, not this will the shaft, and this black thing like this is magnet. This only the attach, not connect, because this rotate the shaft. Without magnet, this will be not happen to rotation. We will be see that this is copper wires. I will show that I will show wire. I will show in this model the blue wire is copper wire. This will be help us to rotate this current is flow, and this is also rectangular shape, and this will be float. This will be rotate like this. This is the magnet. Because of this magnet, these two magnet is there. This is north and south. This is also a north and south. This will be used to rotate the shaft. This will be the help us to know about the electric motor. model and electric pencil with the word. This is the best model in my life. Bye.